Hello, hello, advisory friends. I am Miss Gomez. Some of you know me or remember me. You can see my little face with half the Backstreet Boys here. I am going to do a quick mini lesson and practice on this for plot. So let's get started. So on this side of the screen, I have the elements of plot just for review. If you need to pause to review those, you can. But they're also on top of the page. So we have the exposition, the rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Okay, I'm going to read through this. You can copy with me. I'll give you time to practice, and then you'll finish on your own. So it says, read the story below, noting the number of stages, then answer the questions that follow. Readers must meet Shelby and Taylor, who are friends walking home from school. They decide to stop at the drugstore. A little later in the story, Shelby steals a tube of lipstick from the drugstore. Taylor is upset and tells Shelby to go back and pay for it, but Shelby just shrugs. But then Shelby dares Taylor to take something from the drugstore. Taylor is torn between doing the right thing and proving to her friend that she is fearless. Finally, Taylor tries to steal the bottle of nail polish, but she is stopped at the door by the store manager. While the manager scolds Taylor and warns her that next time she will call the police, Shelby sneaks away. The next day, Shelby apologizes to Taylor for getting her into trouble and leaving her to face the manager alone. Shelby and Taylor decide to have learned their lesson, and they agree to never steal again. So stage one of the plot is the exposition. I'm going to write exposition. Okay, why is this the exposition? Because it shows the characters and settings. So we get Taylor and Shelby, and they're at the drugstore. I know that from the text. Stage two is the rising action. It's where we get our driving question. It adds tension. So we know that Shelby steals and asks Taylor to. Okay, at this point, we have our driving question. We're wondering, will Taylor steal? Now we got to decide, is her conflict internal or external or both? Okay, I'm going to pause real fast. You can pause the video here. Okay, so we're back. And we decided that you should have said it's both. She has to decide if she wants to steal, which is a decision, and that's internal. But she's also external because her friend Shelby wants her to. Okay, I'm going to have you pause again and answer the rest of these. At the end, we'll show you a slide that has the answers for you to check your work. When you're done, you can try the back with a partner or a friend. And then your teacher will have a quizzes for you that's assigned. So finish these 3 questions. I will have a slide for you that shows the answers to check yourself, and then you can do the back and the quizzes. Have a great day.